One should have daya. Daya means, daya means somebody is in pain. I should feel that pain. Not that I am totally indifferent. That if you cannot live with a person if he doesn't understand what is your problem. Everybody may be having physical problem, emotional problem, intellectual problem. अरे समझो उसको जरा सा. For making a conclusion and a judgment, understand what is the problem. Please understand first. Please find out where he is suffering. What is his sore point? What is troubling him a lot? पता लगाओ. No, but he should have done like that. Don't try perfection. Perfection is very difficult to get. Perfection, judgmental, all these things are not for applying on others. With ourselves we apply daya. With others we apply judgment. If you have to be judgmental, try to about yourself. Who is uski problem? You don't know. So daya makes a person you live with very livable because he will immediately find out where is your problem. The joy of living with somebody is that he can take away some pain of yours at some level. It can be physical pain, it can be emotional pain, it can be financial pain. Or it can be, anything is there which is bothering a person. That person has no value in your life who does not take any pain. Even if that person comes to be a mother or father also. I'm telling you, he will have no value. हमारी प्रॉब्लम तो समझो आप. You know where I am suffering, where I am struggling. Everything I cannot tell every time. How much shall I say the same things? हमारी भी तो प्रॉब्लम होगी कुछ. Daya is an emotion which when you develop, you are very sought after everybody. Because everybody thinks that if this person is there, he will be you will understand me. So daya makes a person very livable, a very approachable. You can understand him, that he will understand me. Okay, other person may misunderstand, but this person will understand me. Okay, living all alone somewhere is very easy sometimes and brood on a certain matter. We are not so great that we will contemplate and meditate all alone. When you live with 10 people sometime, then you have to identify, okay, what is your thing, what is your problem. And if daya is not in mother, she cannot become a good mother. If it is not in the father, he cannot become If daya is not in the teacher, he can never become a good teacher also. So daya is there, you don't have that pain which other person has. If you have, then you will understand, but you can't do because you yourself are suffering. I don't have, but you have that pain. But I am coming to remove that pain of yours. I am available for you. Please see that I am there for you. And please note, daya is not for the one who is bigger than you. Daya is for the one who is lower than you in your evolution. Daya, if somebody is already higher, it doesn't need so much of daya. I am here, he is there. There he needs daya to lift me out. Without daya, a person will remain like a very hard, and no ashram will be there. Gurus would not be there. ये कोई गुरु होगा, दया ना हो उसके पास. He said, I already taught the disciple, let him go whatever he wants to do. I already told him 5-10 times, let him do whatever is there, I am going now. Let him go. But he is in trouble. But he is in trouble, let me, his nature is like that. But he wants to see you. Why? I already saw him. Very few teachers are there, I have seen, who have daya also. And we all want daya. We all want lot of daya. We know that we cannot do by ourselves. If you are very good, you don't need the daya. But I am not good, therefore I need more daya. I don't need the daya if I am very well. I don't need. I know I am not good. I know I have mistakes. I know I am backward somewhere. But if you also will leave me, then where shall I go now? If somebody is already very qualified, then he does not need daya. He is already there. Okay? So to neglect and reject somebody's thinking as despicable, this is not a sign of a great person. Greatness of a person is how he treats the one who has not been treated well by anybody. How he treats the rejected ones. That defines a person's glory. Not how he treats the evolved one. Imagine if God does not have daya and we keep on getting fruit of action for every bad action, then by that time we should have been dead. If we do bad action and Bhagwan gives one slap every after bad action, on the spot, fruit gives on the spot. One slap depending on my bad action. So much we would have got, so we would have fainted and dead by now. So many mistakes we did. Bhagwan is still thinking, let him try, bacha hai, he will be okay after some time. Let us give him one more chance. Although he is foolish kind of boy, but let us give one more chance. So, daya bhuteshu. Please note, daya does not mean becoming foolish. That is, robber is coming and we are having dawa, come here. Come inside. Have food and then loot. It's not like that. Therefore, it is written, yathochitam, as is required. Anywhere you take out buddhi, you do some kind of big problem. Yathochitam word is written, see? As is required.